Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share something with you. I got a surprise gift from Essential Tradition by Kayal. It's a shop which sells traditional cookwares like cast iron and soapstone cookware. So they have sent me some cookware and I don't know what is in it. So I thought I'll show you what's in this packet. So let's open it now. So they have packed it really nicely with hay and all. So I'm sure this must contain some breakable cookware. I'm just going to remove all this. I really don't have any idea as to what this is, so just let's open and see. Seems to be a spoon. Yes, it's a lovely spoon made from coconut shell. Perfect to serve curries or rice. I'm so happy to get this. So this is Essential Traditions by Kayal. They have an online website also. I will leave the link to their website in the description box so that you can check them out. So let's see what is in this also. Nicely packed with bubble wrap. So it must be something which is breakable. Wow, they sent me a cast iron dosa tawa. The smaller one. I actually didn't have this type of dosa tawa, and it seems to be seasoned also. I just can't wait to cook in this. So I'm going to keep this aside and let's see what else is there in the package. This seems to be slightly heavy and I don't know what is this actually. Oh my god, this is a soapstone cookware. This is the first time I'm actually seeing a soapstone cookware. I don't even own one, nor I have seen one in real life actually. I've been looking around everywhere for a soapstone cookware, and I'm so happy. Like, you can make rasams and sambars and dals and almost anything in this soapstone cookware, and it seems to be seasoned also. There is some yellow thing on the surface, so it seems to be seasoned with turmeric and oil. So I think it's ready to use. I really can't wait to cook in this soapstone cookware. So from what I have understood is they collect these handmade cookwares from local artisans in villages, and I think they have a base in Chennai. So these are all handmade cookwares. I actually don't know the cost of these cookware which they have sent to me at the moment. I need to check their website. But I will leave all the details in the description box below, just in case you want to buy soapstone or cast iron cookware. So these are traditional cookwares, handmade cookwares from our local artisans. So guys, if you are interested in getting traditional cookware, especially handmade cookwares like this one, you can go to their website to order. There is something else in this packet too. So this is the website I am talking about, Essential Traditions by Kayal. This is the website. So it's care instructions for iron cookware and cast iron cookware. So that is really good. So you can, if you're using it for the first time, you can know. And these are like seasoned cast iron cookware and soapstone cookware. So you don't have to season it. You can wash it and then directly cook on it. Soapstone cookware, soapstone dosha kal and paniyaram kal. So yeah, if you are looking for traditional cookware from our local artisans which are handmade, please do check their website. So these are the 3 things which they sent. Spoon made from coconut shell, and you can use this as a dosha tawa or a roti tawa. Let me tell you, this is heavy. This is not light but heavy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.